Hey, it's Mike from AutomationEngage.com, and in this video, you're going to learn how to change the default text inside of ActiveCampaign. So the first step is we need to update the first name personalization tag inside of ActiveCampaign. Secondly, you have to come up with something to replace the first name with that makes sense. And I'm also going to give you some warnings on things to watch out for when you're trying to do this. So the first thing to do is log into your ActiveCampaign account and then go to Lists. From there, you want to click on Manage Fields. And then the first name field should be at the top. Now, if you click Edit, blank box will come up with default values. So whatever you put in here is what ActiveCampaign will use if the first name is not populated. So you could put friend, or you could put business owner, or you could put podcaster, something like that, if you were to come up with a generic way of identifying who they are. That will work in a salutation at the start of an email, but also keep in mind that this is a very powerful option that you can use to customize and personalize your subject lines as well as the body copy inside of an email. You can basically say, hey, Mike, when's the last time you purchased cosmetics? And if you had, hey, friend, when was the last time you purchased cosmetics? Inside the middle of a body text, it would kind of be jarring and would pull them out. The perfect way to use personalization tags is that they should be seamless. They shouldn't pull you out of the actual message that you're sending. I would recommend for you to get the most out of the first name field to actually capture it in all your forms. It's better to have quality, in my opinion, than quantity. And if you even think there's a chance that it would be powerful for your emails to have the first name in the subject line or in the body copy, then I recommend you just capture the first name rather than using the default. But having said that, if you do need to put in a default, this is the exact way that you would go about doing that. And just hit save and it's done. So that's how to change the default text if there is no first name inside of ActiveCampaign.